If I've learned anything, it's to read the manual when doing SFF PC builds. Apparently, I still haven't learned. My buddy wanted to do a small PC build for his daughter to game on and settled on the Jonsbo Z20. While this may not qualify as a SFF build for many people since it can take up to a micro ATX motherboard, it's still a smaller case that you need to build in a specific order to avoid issues, so let that be known. My buddy Matt wanted to use spare parts for this PC build, and the specs are as follows: Ryzen 7 3700X, RTX 2080 Super, a 1TB SSD, and an NZXT Kraken X53 240mm AIO. And of course, the chosen case for this project, the Jonsbo Z20. I think this is a neat little case. It has a bit of a unique look. The square slots lend themselves well to 3D printed accessories like this headphone holder, but also people like 3D printing other things like this front cable cover, SFX backward mount adapter, feet riser, and even entire side panels. And it has a handle. So if you wanted to build a LAN party PC, this is also a nice choice. So as hand-me-down parts for a little kid to game on, these are actually quite good specs for 1080p gaming, and if you lean on DLSS, pretty decent for 1440p too. Nice. Like I said in the intro, SFF PC builds require more nuance to build in than a typical ATX case. You might end up putting things in and taking them back out multiple times. You'll end up removing stuff to install other stuff, reinstalling said stuff, then realizing you have to remove stuff to add more stuff as you continue your build, metal plates and things like that. You'll end up standing there with a friend looking at a piece of metal and trying to figure out how to mount stuff to it.
Yeah, this doesn't look like it comes out.
There will be struggles. Small PC builds have to arrange themselves somewhat uniquely to fit everything well. This case, even being on the bigger side of small cases, is no different. But I have to say, all the struggle makes the final result all that much better.
Yeah.
It's dead.
It's dead. Well, then you gotta plug it in. Guys,
It was super cool too when Matt let his daughter help with the build.
Cool. Nope.
Okay, ready? You excited? Set, go.
it's alive. See the boots.
Dude, you guys have a favorite small PC case? Mine is the Lanley TU150, and we have a build video on that linked right here and in the description, wherever. Go check it out. If you like this video, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and that bell so you don't miss a single upload. Also, I stream to Twitch every Friday at 8 p.m. Pacific at twitch.tv/CoalitionChris. So if you want to talk more tech, feel free to stop by, drop a follow, and yeah, let's talk tech. Anyways, I'll catch you all later. Bye.